I know you guys are gonna think that I'm crazy, but just give me a second. I'm now letting other people, totally random strangers, trade my money. This could be really bad. This could end really badly, or it could end very well. It really depends on if these people make money. And today, I'm already up almost 100% on one of the strategies that I invested in. I've invested over $400 in multiple strategies that automatically trade my money when I don't have to do anything. So I'm tired of having to press buttons all day and press button. I might as well put a little bit of capital aside and see if somebody else can turn my capital into real hard-earned capital. Well, capital earned is capital one is one capital. I don't know. Either way, like I said, we've got one strategy right now that's up almost 100%. I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing it, where I'm doing it, and all that fun stuff and the plan right here in this video. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Well, what's going on, guys? Patrick here, and today we're talking about letting other people trade my money. Let other people manage my money. I know it sounds crazy, but it's actually working right now. It's actually working because one of the strategies that I invested in is up over 82% currently. We're trading Bitcoin. Going to show you how it works and the overall idea here in a second, but I'm hyped right now because if this does work out, and I don't want to get too excited just yet because you know how that goes. Sometimes you get excited and then it ends up crashing back down, you end up losing, and then it's all just downhill from there. But I'm going to show you guys what's going on right here on my screen, so let's dive into it. Come on. All right, so you can see behind me, this is the platform that I'm using to trade Bitcoin. I've talked about it before. It's Prime XBT, and what it allows me to do is it allows me to use margin, allows me to trade Bitcoin and ride some of these crazy waves. And you can see Bitcoin following this trend line right now. If you look at like the hourly chart, how nicely this trend has been holding here. This is a little off, but I mean pretty much like that right now. There's our trend on the hourly chart. If you go back to the 15-minute chart, you can see how that's been bouncing off this trend multiple times and pushing up there to the $18,400 area. The high just the other day was $18,472. And I've made a couple of trades getting those bounces off of the trend lines so far, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about the idea that I've let other people trade my money and how I'm doing that. All right, so this is the co-vesting leaderboard or the platform. It shows you the profit that individual people have made. You can see the total profit. Like this guy right here has been killing it. You can see if you look at this, he's maxed out. You can't even follow him right now. But if you look at like his 30-day total profit, 4,800%. Today's profit, 56%. He's been active for 19 days with over 500 people following. His equity is $8,000, and initial equity for his followers was $182,000, and his follower equity now is up to $369,000. So pretty interesting. Had a pretty big drop this morning. But you can see some of the action here on this guy's deal. You can see how growing as well and all that. At one point, the follower equity was up to almost 800,000. That's pretty interesting. I don't know if people pulled out or what. But this is right now the top strategy or the top person trading. So these are the strategies that I'm using right now. And you can see yesterday I ended up closing out a couple. I closed out this guy. He was down 2%. Closed out this guy for taking me down 59%. And closed out this guy for taking me down 9%. And you can see today's profit. We're down $3 on this strategy. We're up $40 on this strategy. And we're up $20 on this strategy. So a total return, 33% on this guy and 26% on this guy. Basically what I did was I started out by depositing just a little under 0.005 of a Bitcoin, which is like literally what, $80 or something? Yeah, like around $80, $85, $90, depending on the price of Bitcoin going up and down. That'll obviously change. But you can see my initial equity here for these three strategies being 0.004, 0.005, and 0.004. And now check out this one right here. This guy's got me up to almost double now. I'm up 73% with this strategy right now, which is beautiful. You can see total profit being up 73% there. So this guy here, you can also see if you go to go-to strategy, they talk about maybe what they're doing. This guy here talking about flexible trading strategy that can adapt to ever-changing environment and pursue results even during a bear market. So it's a long/short trading strategy, operating with multiple time frames and looking for opportunities across the week, trading 5 days a week. So this is the guy here. If you look at like his 30-day equity curve back there, November 15th, had a little pop, little drop, and then nice little rally last few days with the price of Bitcoin obviously going higher. Maximum drawdown being 53%. His profitability right now is a little over 202% so far this year, but you can see some of the action. Hey, really quickly, if you guys enjoy these videos, do me one big favor, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button as well. There's always going to be more and more videos coming soon, so let's get back to it. And really just kind of capitalizing off the momentum right now with Bitcoin going to the moon. Currently, Bitcoin trying to push up there to the 18,400 area. Let's go 18,800. But going back, you can see just all of these different strategies. You've got like this guy here. He's an altcoin, and he talks about, it doesn't really talk about his strategy. Just says high risk trading. Oh, this guy here, this is a Litecoin strategy. So you can see here it talks about this strategy involves a slow, steady gain in Litecoin. So I've got a little exposure to that. That's kind of why I ended up getting in on that guy, being that he is, trading Litecoin, and then other guys are trying to, I would believe, are trading Bitcoin. And this guy right now, killing it, on fire. We're up today another 39%. You can see my initial amount being $94 and currently sitting at $168. So up 78% right now. And basically all I'm doing is clicking this. I'm clicking follow and I'm getting in on it. And if you can see, I'll show you how it works. So if you go over here to the rating, let's say you look at today's profit, you want to follow somebody like this guy here, Monique. So I'll show you how this works. We're going to go to Monique, which is been trading for 13 days. Got 81 followers currently, and they're up 187% today. And we're going to put in 5 again just to keep it consistent. And that'll put me in there. So I'm going to be trading with Monique now with another, you can see initial equity there being $91. Let's see if there's maybe another one to keep an eye on here as well. I like to find ones that have multiple days of trading, not just one day, This guy here looks pretty good. Hiking Hills strategy. It's 8+ years, FX and crypto technical analysis, investment decisions based on daily charts. Invest wisely. So let's follow this guy. So we're going to have 2 of those going now. Now we'll have a total of what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strategies. I'm not sure if it's better to have multiple strategies going or if it's better to have one strategy going. Obviously, if I had all my money invested in this guy, then I'd be chilling up 75%. So imagine if I had a couple $1,000s in there, that would be nice. But hey, taking it slow, taking it steady. So you can see Moses. If you look at some of like the total profits, are always interesting to see. This one, I said earlier, that BTC hodling. This one looks interesting as well. They've been going for 18 days now. Looking like they've had some pretty good little rallies. You can see back there on November 15th had a 70% day. We'll see what happens from here. Got some good opportunities so far, I believe. Being up, $88. My initial equity right now, investing $448. And because of this guy, we're up to $537 there. So we're going to let this one ride. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to let this ride. This will be trading till we'll check in next week. We'll let it ride for a week. We won't touch it. We'll leave it alone for a week. And this is what we're going to see. We're going to see what happens a week from now. Basically, let's say we're investing like $400 and it's Friday. So we're going to let these guys or these strategies just do whatever they're going to do, I guess, for the next week. And we're going to check in next Friday and I'll let you guys know the results. So there it is, showing you guys the strategy, letting somebody else trade my money. Really simple. It's almost too easy to do it. So Hopefully we can make some money. Let's see if we can get some money going here. I'm hyped right now, boys. I'm hyped. So there it is. What do you guys think? Letting somebody else trade my money. I'll talk to you guys later on.